Hey everyone, I'm back at Discount Bins and it is their restock day. Everything is $15 and we're gonna go see what we can get in there. Okay. That was $15. Let's actually just steer those right in. How you doing?
Good.
$1 there. I might come by and pick that up. That's an inverter. Destroyed Monopoly. I think it's destroyed.
Thank you for stopping in.
How are you doing?
Oh, good. I'm figuring what this is.
It's garlic press.
Really? I mean, all of this crazy stuff?
Yeah, yep.
Yeah. Okay.
Some people like it, some people do crazy stuff.
Crazy.
Let's see here.
I'm trying to get some room up here.
Oh, I get that. People just come and leave their shit all over the place, don't they?
They do, but that's okay. I would rather leave it up here so I can check to see if it works and if it doesn't. I can just move it right to my trash pile here.
Yeah.
I definitely see there's heat coming on over there.
Yeah. Yep, there's a reason why this one was returned. It's not working all the way.
Okay, I'll take it. We'll just pile it back there.
Yep.
Some of them, you know, like I used to work at Walmart, and I know sometimes things get returned just because people don't want it.
Well,
and
yeah,
they'll tell them
exactly.
It doesn't work when it does.
Yeah. A Red Dragon keyboard.
That one works because I had it in my office, but I found one that had the keys on it.
Well, I'm a reseller. I know what those resell for, so I'm going to grab that one.
This is stuff I'm checking with back there. It's all trash. Yeah, it's all trash. Thank you.
Yeah. So you were saying something about mystery boxes?
Right, they're all up there at the front. We have some smaller ones that are $10, and then we have some bigger ones that are $25.
Oh, and they're just the Amazon return boxes that you just haven't undone?
No,
or?
it's stuff that we didn't sell last week.
Oh, okay.
And then we packed it all up and put it up there for sale.
Oh, okay. I'll have to, I might go and grab one.
There you go.
Yeah. Okay, so that was $15 day at the bin store, Discount Bins. As you could see, the bins were rather full, but I didn't buy much. And the reason why I didn't buy much is because, for what I saw, the $15 price point was a little high. And in reality, the $15 price point is high for a bin store model. And there were a lot of people who were not buying much. They were just looking through the bins. So it almost seemed like everybody was doing recon for the cheaper days on $15 day. So pretty much my whole take is it was a little pricey. And if I'm going to be paying $15 for an item to resell, it's got to be at least a $100 item. Or else it's not worth my time, it's not worth the money to spend. I did, however, buy that keyboard. That's this keyboard right here. And I also did buy a heater. And that was it. Nothing to resell because of the price point. Now, at the end of the clips, you saw me talking to that lady. That was actually the owner, or at least the manager of the store. And she was telling me about those mystery boxes that you saw at the front. And those were $10 and $25. 10 for the smaller ones, the bigger ones were $25. And those were filled with items from the last week. I was tempted to buy one. I did not because I knew that those were probably loaded with Halloween stuff like costumes. And that's not the kind of inventory I want to hold on to right now. So I passed on those. But I do eventually plan on getting a mystery box or two and opening them on the channel because it looks like fun. But that's for another week. And that's all I have for you today, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.